This is Human Essence, and in today's video, I'm going to be discussing the human factors involved in the seventh day of the trial of Charles Adelson, who's been charged by the state of Florida with regard to the murder of Florida State University law professor Dan Markel. I have been interested in this case for many years. First of all, when I saw the case and it had connections to somewhere where a family member of mine had lived. But since then, I've been fascinated with the family dynamics, the human factors that were involved in this case. Now the case will be before 12 jurors, and it is up for them to decide what is going to happen. The videos I make or my thoughts or any other thoughts of YouTubers has nothing to do with the facts that those jurors are going to decide upon and decide whether there is, in their minds, reasonable doubt. I think I've learned a great deal about the human factors involved in this case. And I've labeled them human factors because we are all humans and we can all make decisions that lead down a path to horror or decisions that lead down a path to goodness and forgiveness and maybe peace. It's so easy for people to be influenced by one another in a bad way. It's so easy to shift and be influenced in a good way. In this case, we see many, many lives that are affected originally by a marriage gone wrong and a bad split up. So when love turns to hate or fear, that's a bad time in a marriage or at the end of the marriage. So we see how this may or may not have impacted these players. Once the jury has made their decision, the legal system has worked as it has worked. I think it is very unlikely that any other members of this family will be prosecuted, but that is a decision for the district attorney. That has nothing to do with me, nor does the decisions of the jury. I feel that the public interest in this case has been small until now, and now I'm seeing it all over the place. This will likely be my last video considering the human factors involved in this case, and I've enjoyed sharing with them with the small audience that I felt connected to. Thanks for listening, and really, then again, maybe not, and I really mean it, celebrate uncertainty.